Welcome to Brampton First Aid and CPR. Today I will show you how to create your Red Cross account and how to access your online course. The blended course consists of three simple steps. 1. Register on our website and complete the online course. 2. Attend the in-class training. 3. Receive your full Red Cross certification. Once you register for a blended course from our website, you will receive an email directly from Canadian Red Cross allowing you to access the online portal. Please make sure to check your spam or junk folder. If you don't receive an email from Red Cross, please feel free to reach out to our team. The first step is to open the email and click on the invitation link. This will then take you to the Red Cross website where you will need to create an account. As shown in the picture, please click on the Sign Up Now option. You will then be asked to create a password. Please follow the password requirements provided by Canadian Red Cross. After entering your password, please click Create an Account and you will be redirected to the Red Cross page. Once you've completed this process, you now have your very own Red Cross account. To access your online course, you will need to click on Profile and then select My Online Courses from the drop-down menu, and you will be redirected to the e-learning portal as shown above. You can now activate the course and begin your online training. You will need to complete the online course before attending the in-class. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach to our team or email us at bramptonfirstaidcpr@gmail.com. Thank you for watching.